and they're off. Early lead is taken by Amsterdam by the rail. On the outside is Fairhaven. On the farther outside, Tracer Duck. Some butt in between horses to Speed the Firm and Primera Clase on the outside. Heading for the backstretch, Fairhaven by a length and a half, followed by Speed the Firm by the rail, and some butt running in third on the outside. Amsterdam, entry number 1, Tracer Duck and Primera Clase. Into the backstretch, it is still Fairhaven by a length and a half, followed by Sambat on the outside in second, Speed the Firm by the rail in third, and running in fourth by 2.5 lengths is Amsterdam, Tracer Duck on the outside, and closing in is Primera Clase. Nearing the far turn, it is still Fairhaven by a length and a half, followed by Sambat on the outside in second, and Speed the Firm by the rail in third, Tracer Duck on the outside in fourth, Amsterdam and Primera Clase now moving up on the outside. Rounding the far turn, it's Fairhaven, followed by Sambat on the outside, Speed the Firm, and Primera Clase now moving up on the outside to take third, and so was Tracer Duck. The last bend for home, Sambat moving up on the outside to grab the lead, followed by Fairhaven by the rail, and Primera Clase now moving up with the rush on the outside. At the top of the stretch, it's Sambat in the lead. Sambat followed by Primera Clase on the outside. But it's still Sambat and Primera Clase now moving up on the outside. Primera Clase on the outside, Sambat by the rail. Sambat by the rail and Primera Clase on the outside. And finally, at the payoff line, it's going to be Sambat, Primera Clase.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Ano kami? Display?
Sambat